QQQ, a little different, a little bit weird. Lower volume, right? We see this, we end the day at 104%. And we would expect to see a ton of tags. Here, you'd see a tag here. Didn't get it, didn't happen. But let's review. We open, you get a bull and a bear coming out. This bear absolutely crushes it, 154%. Really don't enjoy trading in the first 30 minutes. But you could have made a ton of money. You know, it's 150%, 931 to here, 16 minutes. That's amazing. But the open is always going to have the most volatility. And when you see this kind of volatility, right, because we go 3 strikes down and then bounce right back to the blue line. I mean, look at this. Blue line, most powerful force known to man. Second to only Jerome Powell. It just indicates that, hey, the day is going to be good. The day is going to be tradable. The volume was higher here. Probably want to lock in to the QQQ, but it wasn't. And that's okay, right? Because we got excellent tags on SPY the whole way. Looking at it, you probably shouldn't be looking at it, but we'll review anyway. Price is moving up. Volume's moving up. We don't want to take this. Why? Because we'll likely go 3 strikes higher. And where does it stop? You know, because what is that? 439.72. We'll call that 440, right? That's basically 440. Round up. Little arithmetic. 1, 2, 3. 3 strikes higher is where we stop from 440. We come back down and we get close to the blue line and then go back up. Don't want to take any of these bears. This is like an ego trade. This is like, hey, we just moved down, we moved back up. This is a Wall Street ego trader saying, we're going to go back down. CPI is this, inflation is whatever. But if you stick with like the mindset that more often than not, we ramp at the end of the day, you can look in TradingView at all the tickers out there, NVIDIA, AMD, whatever, everything's kind of going up. Don't want to be in puts. Don't want to. Last time it was nice and easy to trade puts. It's like November. And then we just ramped all the way back up. It's a bull market, baby. Now, this is an interesting alert right here, 1403. Obviously, it does incredibly well. 155% buying and holding until the end of the session. You know, we prefer this as close to 2 as possible. And that's referring to the blue line. So you're $2.44 higher than the open. We want it closer to 2. But you could have traded it and won this time. Will this work every time? Absolutely not. The win rate is 0%. Why? Because PS is so high. Why is PS 7.0? Because we went down 3 strikes at the open. But if you invalidate that, because like, hey, we just went right back to here, you know, you're really not that high up. You're not that high. So small trade size, YOLO, let it fly at the end of the day. Made some money. Can't beat that. Will you win every single time? Will you win a lot of the time on this? No, but like this is a rare event. These are the days you want to lock in and trade as much as you can because kind of hard to go wrong, right? So overall, if you want to trade this thing like rigged God mode, you're freestyling here because the alerts came in on SPY, not on QQQ. Price action was like practically identical, but that's more advanced. Like you didn't even need to do all of that. Stick with trading alerts when they come up, copy trading Wall Street, the best way to win.